Another one. Let's go again with another warm up. It's brilliant. Let's do it. Okay, so what the line 14 to 15 do? If sender is not in some spam accounts, then the spam accounts for the sender is zero. Well, they said accounts. Yeah. What is wrong with this program? It should store the total number of spam messages sent by each sender. Okay, not in. Well, if it's not, it increments, not added. Yeah. So this will be equal to, and this is plus one. This one was easy.
Mistakes happen.
Hey, happy birthday!
You too!
But with personalized practice, you can learn from your mistakes and master more concepts faster. Try it today with Premium.
You too! Thank you. I will do that.
Alright, next let's do binary search. Alright, some users' phones were hacked after opening a message with timestamp. Let's find the sender fast. Check if this timestamp is in the range between the first leftmost and last rightmost messages timestamps. So left is the first one, 0, and left is length message log minus 1. Yeah. If target, if less than, if target is more than and less than right time, okay. Middle. Well, Python slash slash operator divides two numbers and rounds the result down to a whole number. Use slash slash to find an index in the middle between left and right and check if this concept should be the first or second half of the left. When the middle is left plus right, divided by 2. So it's like the average. And the middle message is this one. And middle time, the target is in the second half. So we should do it, yeah. We start searching for target, we have to consider the whole range between left index and the right index. For a range of indexes, we can narrow search if we know the target value is greater than the value of middle. So it should be that clear. Yeah, it's narrowing down actually. How much range of indexes can we narrow to search if we know that it's less than, so this one. Check if the target is in the middle. If not, update left or right to narrow the search to the range of indexes where the target will be. If target is middle time, then found is true. And if target is more than, right. So if target is more than middle time, then right is middle minus one. What? So left is middle plus one. It's, I think it's minus one. Else then left is middle plus one. I mean it could be anywhere, right? So from right, the target is in left update, so move right to middle minus one. Alright, otherwise the target is in the right half, then move left to middle plus one. Does this make sense? No. That's the way with action numbers. Okay, and the message's timestamp is this. It's bigger than this. The target must be in the later half. So we said left is middle plus one, which is 21. I don't really understand this. Middle is this. That's why the output says indexes 21 to 40. Alright, let's just continue. What happened when line 6 to 14 had ran a second time? 4 in range 2. Then either we found it or we have half of the remaining data. While keep ruling out half of the data until the target is found or until the search range is smaller than 0. The program should stop within 8 iterations. So if left while left is less or equal than right, then print search range, and middle is this, the time is that. If target is middle, then found true and then break. Else if target is more than middle time, less than middle time, then it would be left, right? I don't know. The order doesn't really matter, right? So this is more. Alright. You just program a binary search. If I found a cyber criminal at index 25 with 3 iterations, how many iterations would it have to take in a sequential search? 125 search. Alright. Let's do the review. Why is binary search so much faster than sequential search? Well, it by half the data if each iteration was search only one item each. Okay, what's wrong with this program? Okay, if message timestamp is firstly it does not. Yeah, when target is not on the list, message timestamp. Yeah, so we need to change this. Uh, Left is facing right, and left is right and this. So this is middle minus one, and this is middle plus one. That's kind of easy. Thank you for listening, guys.